Let's begin our look at ways of presenting statistical data. The results of an algebra test, fictional at that, are shown in the table below and to the left. The table is called a frequency distribution because it shows how many times a particular score was obtained. So here we have the score itself. So there were 2 students that got a 99, 1 that got a 98, 3 that got a 95, 5 students that got an 84, all the way down to 1 student that got a 56%. A histogram is another way to show the distribution. In this case, rather than looking at every individual score that was obtained, we're going to cluster those scores and say, well, here's the number of students that got a score between 50 and 60. Only 1 student. The number of students that got a score between 60 and 70 were 2. There were 6 students that got between 70 and 80, 16 students between 80 and 90, and 10 students between 90 and 100. So let's use the histogram above to answer the question. Which interval contains the most scores? Well, that should be pretty easy to determine. The 80 to 90 range has 16 students with scores in that range. Which has the fewest scores? Well, the 50 to 60 range only has 1 score in it. How many test scores are above 80? Well, we've got 16 plus 10 more, so there are 26. How many test scores below 70? Well, here's 70. There's 2 plus 1 more, or 3.